Hi, welcome to the hybrid automation technology. Today is simulating VI characteristics of power diode. Go to Multisim software and open. Next, click on the place and component and click the groups and select the diode. One more time select the diode and 1BS62 diode number is and OK. Click on the OK and place it. Next, click on the source and select the ground and next DC power and click the groups and next select the all groups and find the register. Here is register 1k ohm. Then click the OK, place it, connect all the circuits and next connecting is here, ground is here. Next is click on simulate and less than simulation and next DC sweep and V1 is selecting. Start value is 0.5 and stop value is 0.7 and increment value is 0.1. Next select the output and current resistor R1, add and save it and run. Here is characteristics of power diode. Thank you for watching video.